This week we're going to preview the USDA monthly supply demand report that will come out on Wednesday, May 12th. We're also going to focus in on U.S. weather trends as soybean planting proceeds. And we're going to wrap things up looking at long-term price trends for November soybean futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We moved into the middle of May here, and this market remains extremely volatile. Front and center this week in terms of new developments will be the monthly release of the USDA supply demand report. That will be released on Wednesday, May 12th. Let's take a look at the trade estimates for that report. There's quite a few numbers in this report because we'll be looking at both old crop 2021 as well as new crop 21-22. We've highlighted soybeans here. We're going to start out looking at crop production. The USDA, again, this will be using the planted acreage estimates from their March 31st report, incorporating a harvested acreage number from that estimate, and then incorporating a trend yield. The trade is looking for production of 4.431 billion bushels. Looking now at national average yield, not too much different from what the Ag Outlook Forum projected back in February. The trade's looking for 50.9. The forum had it at 50.8. All important, though, is when all these factors, supply and demand, are factored together, we're looking at ending stocks. The average trade estimate for new crop, again, this is the crop currently being planted, is 133 million bushels. Notice that the current crop year, May 2021, the average trade estimate is 118. So at the moment, the trade's not looking for much of a buildup in stocks for next year. Of course, there's so much that can happen between now and the conclusion of the 21-22 crop year. Let's move on now and focus on U.S. weather trends again as soybean planting picks up steam. We're focusing on some very cool conditions across the majority of the Midwest here, all the way through this upcoming weekend through Sunday. As far as rainfall now, Friday through Saturday this week, we're looking at some scattered rainfall moving in from the northwest and the west across the Mississippi River Valley. Not as much rainfall as we move further into the eastern Corn Belt, as there's not much rain in that southeast this coming weekend. Let's look ahead to next week now. This is May 17th to the 23rd. Now we're looking at the heaviest rainfall in that pink area, if you will. Again, looking at above normal totals across that area. And the green areas will be close to normal totals. So we're really looking at probably some stop and go soybean planting progress as we approach next week. Let's wrap things up now looking at trends in November soybean futures. We've looked at this slide before, but we'll definitely highlight that this week. At over $14 a bushel, November 2021 soybean futures are at the highest level ever for November contract in May of that crop year. So we're looking again, the highest level ever for this time of year. A couple things about that. We strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to continue to manage this price movement, both to the upside, but also provide downside protection. Remember, these high prices are going to encourage probably more acres, not guaranteed, but probably more acres than what the USDA forecasted back in March. Reminding everyone, we can also plant double crop beans, of course, all the way into early July across parts of the Midwest. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants. We'd be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.